Hello everyone, my name is Bogdan and I'm a student at UPROCK Design School. In this video I will tell you about my latest project as a part of the training course at the school. This is a redesign of the website of the transport company VR Group. I decided to work on this brand because I wanted to show that even in such an industry, a web designer has the opportunity to show how much a standard corporate website can be improved. On the screen you can see how the site looked originally and what were the disadvantages of the old design. Firstly, the site looks very simple with an unfinished structure where the blocks are similar to each other and do not immediately provide the user with the most necessary and useful information. It often takes up to like 5 clicks or more to access the desired content, and also the design looks dated and mediocre. In some places it's difficult to perceive the material due to the large amount of information in one block or on the page as a whole. Sometimes text blocks provide extra information that does not help the user find what he needs. The site uses standard content layout, and there is a problem with its reading since there is no general system of rules according to which all material is built. The logic and placement of accents and sections have not been worked out either. On some blocks there is also an overlay of unnecessary elements that interfere with the user's perception. Regarding my work, the task of the redesign was completely revise the concept and make the site more convenient, user-oriented, as well as stylish as the format of this industry allows. Corporate color was used to indicate the priority of information, accents, and separation between blocks. Menu items in the redesign do not have a drop-down list, which makes navigation easier. That is, the user immediately opens the entire section and gets acquainted with it in stages. Each page uses different typography to make it interesting and convenient for the user to read the content. I used a 4-column grid because during competitive analysis I realized that most brands often use this format because it provides many different options for content layout. For example, a combination of large and small pictures with text depending on the priority. Thus, on the screen, the user can immediately see several blocks and quickly find the content he needs. The work on the project consisted of several stages. Initially, I conducted an analysis of the site to highlight the main problems and possible solutions. Next, I analyzed the competitors to compare strengths and weaknesses and compare them with the chosen brand. And after that, I started working on my own concept. The most interesting thing was working on the corporate responsibility page. Let me show that to you. As it turned out to use a lot of interesting interactive solutions such as navigation through sections in tables, sliders, card sets, and static blocks with typography. And as a result, each block and each page turn out to be unique and interesting from a visual point of view, unlike others, which in turn also attracts the user's attention and makes him want to continue exploring the site. And in the process of implementing this project, I improved my skills in working with references and also began to better justify my decisions. And here I posted my project on Behance. which you can watch by clicking on the link under the video. My design turned out to be individual, and when the user gets to such a site, he will definitely remember it and will return to it. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye bye.